Hey everybody, welcome back to Villains and Vice. I'm Beth, and today we have some Disney Princess Carousel mystery boxes to open. So I got these boxes from pinkalamode, you know I love them, and it's interesting because there are two different sets of these carousel horses, and each set has 8 pins, so there are tons and tons of pins. It's princesses and villains. I'm very excited. There are specific ones that I want to get, but I only got 4 boxes of each set. Today we're doing set number 1, and these are the pins you can get. They're so hard to see because there are so many, and it's such a tiny box. But you can get Ariel, Aurora, Snow White, Tiana, Ursula, Maleficent, the Evil Queen, and Dr. Facilier. And if you know my collections, you know I collect Aurora. That's a brand new collection. I collect the Evil Queen. I collect Maleficent. So those are the ones that I am hoping for out of this package. My odds probably aren't very good because I only got 4 boxes, but let's see what we get. Now these were a no-brainer for me because I breed ponies, so love horses, obviously. But they're super cute, so had to have them. Alright, our first one. Oh, so this one's Ariel. It's really pretty. Yeah, so the saddle and the harness have sparkles, and the colors are just beautiful. So that's very cute. They're actually much prettier than I expected them to be. Much prettier. 0 for 1 so far. Our second bag. Oh, the Evil Queen! At least I got 1. So the Evil Queen is very cool. She's purple, and her saddle has her crown and the poison apple. Love that. These are very pretty pins. I may have to get some more of these. Don't tell anybody. All right, I'm very excited about these. I really like these. I'm not usually like a go for a whole set kind of person, but I might need all of these. Aurora! Oh, now she looks like a horse Aurora would have. She looks like a blonde Samson. She has different pinks and blues, and her saddle has roses, briar rose, and Aurora's crown. Which, fun fact, when I was drawing crowns growing up, the crown I drew was always Aurora's crown. Alright, one more box. I don't want to jinx it, but you know what I want it to be. Well, it's another Aurora. I actually only wanted 1 of those. But that's okay because I did want that one, so I'll keep one of those, and the other one will be a trader. I got the Evil Queen. That was definitely one of the ones I wanted. And I'll just have to maybe buy some more boxes or see if I can trade for a Maleficent, but here they are. I am very pleased with these. The detail is exquisite. So that's it. Let me know in the comments if you guys are collecting these pins, if you happen to have a Maleficent for trade and need her princess counterpart, Aurora. I'm your girl. Hit me up in the comments or DM me over on Instagram. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time. Bye.